Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Annhall Norris. She's the Food Preservation Extension Specialist for the University of Kentucky. Good morning, Annhall.
Good morning, Kristi. Thanks for having me today.
It's always great to have you on the show, Annhall. And today you are talking about the upcoming home-based microprocessing workshops that the various cooperative extension offices will be offering. Annhall, can you tell us what is the home-based microprocessing workshop?
Yes, it is a 3-hour videotaped workshop. You can attend in person or virtually, but you'll be watching 3 hours. We talk about the food science behind canning. We talk about the 2 approved canning methods. We talk about the program itself, how you go about selling at a farmer's market, and then good sanitation practices in your kitchen, because you are allowed to do this program from your home kitchen.
Now, this is not a food preservation workshop, correct?
That's correct. We actually offer those workshops. We're going to be having one in your county in June, but those workshops are different. We are not going to teach you how to can at this microprocessing workshop. We are going to talk about the program and the principles behind canning at this workshop.
Who needs to take this workshop?
There is a small group of people that need to take this workshop. It's farmers or even backyard gardeners who want to sell value-added products with their produce. So say they don't sell all their tomatoes at the market. Well, now they've had this workshop, they can turn those tomatoes into tomato juice or salsa. They can make pickles. They can even pressure can vegetables. So this workshop is required for those individuals. Now, if you're just going to bake or maybe dry foods, fruits and vegetables, or make fruit jams and jellies, you do not need this workshop.
Alrighty, so fruit jams and jelly makers, no need to take this workshop. Annhall, if someone is wondering if they may need to take this workshop, can they give you a call and just kind of talk it over with you?
Yes, they can. That's always best to give me a call, and we'll talk through the products they want to make and what's required. And then I can register you right over the phone. Our website has a whole list. The workshops are going on all through March and all through April in various counties. You can pick up any county you want to attend. You don't have to live in that county.
Now, Annhall, if someone is watching and they do want to sign up for a home-based microprocessor workshop, how can they do that?
They can go to the website and click on the date and location. It'll bring up the registration page, or they can call me and I'll do it for them.
We were discussing that the link that is listed on the flyer that we are showing has been a little glitchy. So we have found that the easiest way to find a list of the workshops and to register is by just opening up your internet browser and type in University of Kentucky home-based microprocessing workshops. Then you will click that first link that you see, and then it will take you to a website that gives you a whole list of workshops. And I am in Warren County, and we will be hosting a workshop on Wednesday, March 29th from 9:30 a.m. and that will last till 2:30 p.m. All right, Annhall, what items are popular with the microprocessors?
Oh, that's a great question. I see a lot of pickled okra, and I think that's a good use of your okra that doesn't sell at the market. And I also see a lot of spicy tomato juice. People will have their own variation on a tomato juice, so those are quite popular. I've seen a lot of those the end of last year and this year as well.
Annhall, thank you so much for being with us today. If you would like to sign up for the Warren County Home-Based Microprocessor Workshop, we will be hosting that on Wednesday, March 29th from 9:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. We will have a lunch break in between. You can sign up by going to your internet browser and typing in University of Kentucky Home-Based Microprocessor. Click that first link that you see, and then it will take you to our website and go under the list of workshops available, or you can always call your local extension office. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.